Let's make this 2D drawing with the help of 3D model. Now this is the PDF file of 2D model. Now you will see a complete 2D drawing. Now we will create with the help of same with this 3D model what we did in last session. Now look, this is the front view. Now we will change this font size also. You will just observe this is a kind of Cambria font. Now this is bottom view and there is a back view. Back view of this is front view. Now this is section view and there is one detail view. This is the detail view. Now here some notes and also we will change this sheet formats also. So let's see how we can do this 2D drawing. Now look, this is the 3D model. So simply either I'm going to choose new part and activate drawing, cancel, or either directly drop down file and choose make drawing from part. Now here you will see too many sheet size, standard sheet format. See ISO standard, DIN standard. If you select only show standard format, it will show you only few ISO standard, but I'm going to uncheck and I'm going to choose this one NC landscape. For this is the size 420, 297. This is okay. Even you can use your customize, but I'm going to modify this one so that you will get the idea. Okay, I'm going to right click toolbar and activate here line format. This is very useful tool. I'll tell you how. Okay. Now go to view palette. Now you will see here all the views are listed. So just simply drag front view. Okay, if you move cursor upside, you will see top view. If you move cursor downside, it will show you bottom view. So let's say downside, I want to see bottom view because of this hole. There is a multiple types of hole. Okay, now if I move in this direction, it will show you isometric view. So just click somewhere here, right click, clear section, and here select. Now drag this. First let me choose this one and here choose display style, shaded with edge. Now see, there is one more option, high quality. Now the edges looks better. Now okay, option. Now I'll do some small settings, documents. Now let's say detailing, shaded cosmetic thread, activate. Image quality, I am going to make sharp so that drawing looks more practical or more visible. Now that's it. Now you will see these cosmetic threads here. Okay, this is top view, this is bottom view. Now I want to make a back view for this. So I'm going to select drawing, go to projected view. Now I'm going to select this bottom view. Now see, if I move cursor downward, it will show you back view. So click and leave cursor and say okay. Okay. Now there is a problem. You will see there are too many tangent line. If you don't want or you want to clean your drawing, right click on tangent edges and here choose tangent edges remove. Look, your drawing seems clean, but there is a problem. Yeah, it's difficult to find tangent edges, but we can. Okay. Now I'm going to apply tangent, but for this I want to see some hidden line. So here you will see in display style, you will see here hidden line visible. Now in this case, you will see some hidden line. This is necessary. Now look, select this one, change hidden line removed, right click, remove tangent edges. Okay, look, drawing seems more practical or more clear. Okay, now this is a special type of hole at center, so I want to show this hole. So there is only option, you have to apply section view. So select section view. Now here cutting line, there are many types: vertical, horizontal, align, and this is auxiliary. So I am going to choose vertical. Vertical I am going to place at center point, and it will show you this pop-up. If you want to do anything else, you can apply, otherwise say yes. Just move cursor left, right, where do you want. Let's say I want to place here, but I don't want to see this. Even though you can change direction, see direction A, this one. So here choose option flip direction. Okay. Now let's say you can change font from here. Let's say Cambria, let's say 6. Okay. Yes. And see, this is changed. Okay, let's apply some dimension. Before going to apply some dimension, let's apply a center mark. Now let me select inside one. Now this looks more practical, more visible, because you can expand this one. Okay, where some more, apply here, apply here. Okay, that's fine. Center mark. Now there is option, see slot center mark. Select this one and let me choose this one, and see this is applied as a center mark, slot center mark. Okay. Okay, let's see some dimensions, then we will see. Now if you drop down, you will see too many options, but these all are specific. If you don't want any kind of specific way, just simply choose smart dimension. Okay. Now for smart dimension, let's say select this center point, take it down. Now let's change some. We will change font, but let's apply something like this. Now let's say total overview, total length of this. Now here I am going to change, go to ladder, custom properties, and select the mid one, broken. Okay. Now there is a one dotted line. This is wall line or something. Okay, let me choose like this. Okay, let me select this hole and see, it will show you some more detailed view if you choose hole callout. If you want to okay, that's fine. Now there is a space, you can clear those spaces. Okay. Now the main thing, I want to see how we can change those. Okay, let's apply some one more view. Go to sketch. I'm going to choose circle. I want to make some broken view here, because there is one circle and I want to show those things here. So let's say I'm going to apply from here. Make this circle. Go to drawing and choose broken section. Okay. Now I want to see this line. This is as a broken. So up to here you have to either apply depth, because this is front view. You can apply depth, or here simply choose up to where. So come down. Okay, this is the front view. Okay, this is this view. So up to how long you want to see, I am going to select this hole. Show preview. See, you will see this is going to show broken view up to here. Now you will see here. Okay. Now look, these all are visible. Select this one, and if you uncheck material cross section, let's say 2. Look, this seems more practical, more visible. Even though you can change this line, gray cast iron. Okay. Similarly, this side also 2. Gray cast iron, like simple plain line, so it more visible. That's why I'm going to choose this one. Actually, we should not. It should be according to material. Okay. Center line. Let me select these two wall, and it will show you center line. Now select this one, drag and make throughout. Okay. Option, documents property, and here choose dimensions. See here, Century Gothic font. I am going to change Cambria 4. Okay. Let's say okay. Look, it seems more practical, right? But there is a I don't want to show this decimal point 00. So options, documents property, dimensions, come down. See here, dimensions, trailing 0, remove. It will remove this 0. If there is some decimal points like 1, 2, 4 number, it will be here. Second thing, okay, let's check this arrow. I want to change this little sharp, 1.2, 2.8, and this is the tail, or total length. Total length, I see this is bigger size, so 5.5. Just see here, okay, and see this is change. Other, make format black for. Now look, it seems more practical. Just arrange the things to near, and it looks more practical. Let's say I want to add some tolerance to this. So here option, tolerance precision, let's say symmetric. Now here apply 0.02 plus minus. Okay, see. Okay, these numbers seems bigger. Documents property, dimensions, font, and keep 3.5. Okay, now this looks more practical or more visible. Six diameter, select this circle. Okay. Now here one dimension. Now select this cosmetic thread, and it will show you dimension like this. Now there are 4 types of hole. So drop down and you will see dimension text. Just click here and apply some number, something like 4 numbers. Say okay, and adjust according to your space. Make sure something like this. Ladder, inside, outside, you can maintain. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me save this first, otherwise I will lose if My PC hang. Desktop, save. Okay, let's apply some dimension to this. Smart dimension. Center dimension. Okay, let me do one thing. Select this one and change position. Now look, this it seems more practical. Similarly, I'll do for this. Change location. Okay, so that we will get more space. Again, okay, now here you will see here this depth. This is 58 millimeter. So I'm going to apply here. Then depth is 2.5. Now this whole position from upper edge, we need to show some. Okay. Okay, here we have some problem. Okay, let me select this one, hold shift key, select this outer dot. Now this is the distance for this cutout. Okay, it is something, right click. No, we need to show some tangent edges visible. Now this one I think we have to show here so that we will get the idea. Now see, there is some cutout. So the fillet is up to here. That's why I want to show this. Let me keep height to this. So just match the wall. Okay. Now let me select outside to outside dimension. Now here I am going to show this cutout. Take it down. And here we have one chamfer. So this chamfer also I want to cover. So let me edit this chamfer. Now drop down and let me select here. Let's say for multiplication I use X 45 and here see degree symbol, choose this one. Then how many holes? 4 numbers, so space 4 NOS. Okay, let me drag somewhere here. Okay, now hole call out. This is going to be apply a hole. Let's drag somewhere outside. Ladder, let me choose inside. I want to see some. Let me select one. Okay. .45. Again dimension, and there is, see, this is a pitch diameter. Select diameter. 64. Now go to change layer format. Now just simply choose smart dimension. Now select distance. From here, hold shift key, select outside. Okay. Here also some depth, 2.5. And let's say distance from here to this, make it inside. Okay. Let me drag here somewhere. Adjust it just. Okay. I want to, okay, let's say gap, this gap 42, and diameter also let's say 12, inner, even though let me show some radius so that it, ladder, custom text, and change this. Okay. Now this cutout length. So select this length, hold shift key and select the outer edge, and it will show you dimension from outside. Okay, this is the important dimension. Okay. Now there is a hole. I want to show this detail view. So go to drawing, detail view, start from let's say center. Okay. Now this is scale 2:1. So come down. Okay. Make it 3:1. 3:1. Okay. See, it looks more visible. And even though this B, I will change this Cambria 6. Yes. Even though if you see this is bigger, let's say 5. Select this one, double click, 5. That's fine. It looks more practical, that's it. Now let me select this B here. Save it. Now let's apply, or let's place some dimension to this. Now hold shift key. Okay, no need to hold shift key. Select this point. Okay. Then dimension to this. I don't know why this is like this, but it should be 6. If not, you can simply choose override and here 6. If you don't want to see this color change, uncheck, simply delete this. Yes, and apply like 6. Okay. This is how you can manipulate your things, and it is needed many times. Ladder, I am going to change position, something like this. Okay. 5. And let me select this point 10. Now let me select this diameter. ladder keep inside, horizontal text position, and again I want to place, okay, there is some mistakes here, so just hide decimal 6. Okay, now let me save this one, and this is our detail view. Right click if you don't want to see tangent edges, so hide tangent edges. Okay, we done with this. Now let's come to this center line. Let me select this hole. Okay, select change this hatch area, and that's fine. Center line, now let's apply some dimensions. Okay, we almost applied here. Okay, there is a chamfer, see, so I'm going to change this. Now come here into 45, apply degree, see, and okay, this side let's say 2, 2n. Now depth already we applied here 2.5, even if you want to see, because this is more visible. Okay, if you want to apply nodes, applies, select this one, control key, and select this one and make 2, R1. Even though you can change font from directly from here, Cambria, let's say, okay, 3.5. Okay, now in one way you applied 2 radius, see, inside and outside radius. Okay, this is what we done. Okay, let me, this is important because see, okay, now here I want to show some circle. Okay, broken view, and broken view I am going to choose this hole. Okay, this is from this side, so I am going to choose this hole. Show preview. Now see. Okay. Similarly, I'll go what we did for previous one. let's make 3 so it looks more visible. Section view. Okay, this is now visible. Annotation center line. Now center line is same for both hole. Now let's apply some distance from here to here. Now M6 hole, 4 numbers. Do one thing, change this one inside. This radius R1. Go to ladder and uncheck, hide this open ladder. Four number. Okay. Now again hold shift key, select this outer circle, Okay. Now distance from outside, hold shift key. Okay, let me again check. Now let me select this radius. Keep ladder inside. Now 4 millimeter gap. Now here we need to apply critical things. From center to here 1 millimeter, total 3 millimeter. Okay, let it down. And from center, not from center, from this to this face, it's going to be 5 millimeter. Let me select this. Radius. Center line. Select this. Okay, we need a small. Okay, we almost done. Okay, now it's time to change this one. Note, click here, back view. Okay, now let me change this one. Font I am going to choose Cambria. Now 5. double click, make it bold, so it looks more visible. Still need to enlarge. Now I want to make multiple copies, so press Control key, click and drag. Again click and drag. 4 copy. We don't need 4 copy, we need let's drag one here. Simply change bottom view. The last one is front view. So edit here first. And let me place this. Okay, let's see some relocation for more practical. Okay, now look, this color also I am going to change. Right click, edit sheet format. Okay, now which things I don't want to see, just delete those things. I don't want to see upper lines or anymore. Simply go to sheet metal, trim entities, power trim and delete. Just press and hold and drag. Okay, oh, it's still there. Inside I am going to just drag. Signature I don't need. Name. Okay, drawn by, checked by, approved by, manufactured by, these 4 are enough. Trim entity, power trim, just press and hold left mouse and drag over. See, and these line also we don't need. Okay, let me check again. I don't need this one. Okay, delete this. Okay, I will change first. Select all the letters and I'm going to change first their double click, Cambria 9. Okay, this is this place, that's why it's not practically. Make it 12. Title seems bigger. Okay, now here I am going to apply logo or something. Now click, bold, name, let's say color blue. Okay, just place I am going to change the location. Now here choose extend entity, select this line and make them extend up to here. Press escape key to out. See? Now for material, just press Control, drag, alloy steel 12. Okay, here already was there, but now make this one project angle. So I'm going to write only project. Activate center line and let me draw. This is third angle drawing. So circle, again activate line. I'm going to draw a similar edge, not perfect, just drag, because this is for visible purpose only. Press escape key. Now select both the things and come down here and see in sheet format line style, and I'm going to choose center and here choose line thickness. This is important tool, that's why 0.18. That's why I opened here, even though you can change color from here. Line. Close. Okay, it's time to change. Okay, let me select Carriage SolidWorks SolidWorks exercise. Okay, let me change this one first. Okay, let me adjust this. Either it's going to fit or not. No, it's not going to fit. That's fine, it's fit. Now let me change this. Hold shift key. Now select all. Now come down here, change line weight 0.25, come down, format. See, only this one is balance. Format, line weight 0.25 mm. Even though outer border also too much thick, so if not, select the end point, tangent, undo. Undo. Now select individual, 1, hold shift key, 2. Now here change line weight from bottom. See, this is how much? 0.7. Make it 0.35. Look. Similarly, select these two lines. Format. Line weight, how much? 0.35. Okay, color. Now let me change color, because in real its color is something like beige or something. change color from here, format. Now we done here. Simply exit. Now let's go to annotation note. Click somewhere here. Let's apply note. Write whatever. Enter 1. All unspecified. Fillets are 1 millimeter. All chamfer are 0.5 into 45. Okay, let me choose degree. Go to here, see, add symbol degree. Now here degree added. Okay, then 4. DIN is standard. Applied. To all holes. Similarly, let's say fine. Okay, we done. Now we done our drawing. Now simply save it. Drop down. Here choose save as. Now in save as type choose PDF. Now here you will see one option. Open option, and here see standard draft geometry. Keep all high so that you will get a very sharp edge. If you want background color, simply choose include drawings paper, otherwise no need. Say OK and save it. Now this is going to create a PDF file for this drawing. Now look, see, this is your PDF file. Okay, we missed some view here. Okay. Do one thing. Sometime happens, change just view and it will visible. Just fine. The things are visible. Now again let me save this. Now let me save some number or something. So now look, auxiliary line mentioned here, available here. See, don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.